car wash to wash the truck because it's dirty and I need to get ready for tomorrow so it can look clean so the paint could shine and shit. You already know. So yeah, guys, my homie's gonna record me while I wash the truck. So yeah, guys, let's get into it. As y'all can see, this bitch is dirty. Bug splatter everywhere. It's filthy. Look at this. So dirty. But yeah, like I said, let's get into it. Let's start washing it and make it shine. Alright guys, as y'all can see, I just finished washing the truck. Now I'm gonna go back to the Airbnb and I'm gonna give this truck a quick little detail, you know, make it shine. Cause it's clean, I washed it right now. So, as y'all can see, sheesh. It looks better than what it did a couple minutes ago. But yeah, let's go home and let's fucking get this bitch a detail, let it air dry, and yeah, see you at the crib. This is probably I'm ending this vlog, guys. Yeah, you guys went with us to Summit and everything else that we did today. Washed the truck, made that bitch look nice for tomorrow. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog, which is gonna be lit. Tomorrow is gonna get down, gonna get crazy. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you tomorrow for Bandas y Trocas vlog. Let's get it.